This is the Midea U window AC unit. It is incredibly quiet, whisper quiet. It is easily one of the most quiet air conditioner I've ever used in my life. It is very modern. I love this design. It's clean. I wish there's not a lot of buttons, but for convenience sake, there is a lot of buttons for you to press. Here's the connect to the Wi-Fi of your house, timer, echo, mode to change between auto, cool, dry, and fan. Set the degree to cooler or increase the degree. Here's a fan speed for low, medium, and high. Sleep mode, swing for the swing to go up or down. And of course the on and off button. You know, the weirdest thing is that it is so quiet that the only thing that's loud about it is the sound that it makes every time you push the buttons. So we're cycling through the fan, and here is the noise on low fan. Here is the noise on medium fan. So here it is on high fan. Even though it's quiet, I'm still living in a city, so of course you'll see the cars running back and forth in front of my house. So the noise could be attributed to the cars running in front of the house. Let's talk about some of the cons. The first con I noticed is that the noise when you press the buttons, as mentioned before, is very loud. Let's press some buttons now. The second thing is that the LED is behind this thin sheet of plastic. Everything is behind the plastic sheet. So of course right now it's cloudy. Where outside is cloudy, so on a sunny day you'll barely see what you're controlling. This is the temperature, the current temperature, 75. Now on a sunny day you can barely see the numbers. You'll just have to take a wild guess. The third con about this unit is that if you want to control it Wi-Fi remotely, then you are dependent on their app. Download the app, and then you have to create their accounts and then connect to your AC that way. You know, what if one day their server goes down or something? Not a good idea, because now you are stuck with something that's no longer smart. There is no home kit for it, so again you have to be dependent on their server. There's no way you can integrate this locally with your home assistant, which is what I use. So this is kind of a con if you are a tech geek like me. If you don't care about those smart features, then this is a great window unit without a doubt. The one I have is 8,000 BTU. It can easily cool this bedroom of about 500 square feet. They do make 10,000 BTU and 12,000 BTU as well. Alright, if you have any questions, feel free to ask.